Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guy channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to mix songs and Spotify. But before I do that, please click on the subscribe button and also like, it really helps a lot. So let's get right into the video. So in order to have a very good like combinations of musics on your Spotify for you to enjoy, you have to do this on your settings, right? So first thing you have to do is open up your Spotify app just like this, and you click on your profile and click on settings and privacy, go to playback, and here is where you do the magic. First thing you have to do is you can see the crossfade, you drag it to about 8 seconds, right? And the next thing you need to do is click on your auto mix, toggle that on, and also the gapless playback, toggle that on as well. After doing that, you can as well click on the music you're playing and click on this three line here, this horizontal line right there, and you can see the queue. You can make a shuffle for new mix of songs. In order for you to do the new mix of songs, that's to shuffle, you have to explore to premium, right? So that's actually how to have a very good mix of songs. And also you can also create a playlist for yourself to make a very good mix of songs for yourself. If you find the guide helpful, give the thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.